Alrighty, this is Liberty's new field install HDMI cable. It's composed of 2 ribbon cables, as you can see. This is a prepped cable sample. Normally these 2 ribbons would have a foil shield around each of them with an overall tape shield and an overall braid. You can see here that it does have one conductor that is cut back off of the larger ribbon, and that is stripped, and that just gets wrapped around the braid like so. When I do a termination, I like to just do a quick clean cut on each ribbon. And then you have 2 cable sheaths. The black cable sheath corresponds to the larger ribbon. The white cable sheath corresponds to the smaller ribbon. On each cable sheath, there's a little arrow. You find that arrow, you line it up with the red stripe on the cable sheath, and you slide it on like so. And you do the same thing with the white. Find the little arrow, line it up with the red stripe, and slide it on like so. You'll notice that on each cable sheath there's a side that has IDC slots. You want to make sure that both of those slots are facing in. That's going to require you to twist one of the ribbon cables around just a little bit. Push the cable sheaths down a little bit, line them up, just roughly like that. Grab your hand tool, locate slot number 1 on the hand tool, and it'll tell you the orientation of how the cable sheath is inserted. Insert each sheath, and it does a pre-crimp and cut, nice and flush. Do the same thing with the white. There we go. Now you grab your connector body. You'll notice that on the connector body there is one side that has a pin that's keyed a little bit differently. That side corresponds to the white sheath. You snap that into place. Do the same thing with the black. Just give it a quick squeeze, make sure it sticks together. Insert into location 2 on the hand tool. Crimp. Grab your connector shell, insert that crimped connector into the shell, slide it up and you'll feel it click. Grab the top portion and slide that on top. And you'll click that into place. Bend the tabs inward slightly. Grab your hand tool one more time in location number 3 with the hand tool. Load it into the hand tool. And crimp those 2 together. And the last step is to just trim this braid back. There you go, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then you grab your back shell pieces. Snap those together. Remove the plastic. And you have a finished connector.